Are you looking to own a little piece of Waterloo Region's housing history? Well, we have one for you. Hi, I'm Tony with the Tony Johal Real Estate Team, and welcome to our newest listing here at 1861 Sawmill Road in beautiful Conestogo. So guys, this home here was built in 1850. It has all of yesteryear's wonderful architectural features, but it's got all of today's modern finishes. It's finished top to bottom. It's got a walkout basement. You've got just under 2,000 square feet. You've got 4 bedrooms. And look behind me, you've got this massive double-sized lot. You've got no one in behind you. And in the distance there, that's Grand River. It's all protected green space. We'll see enough of the outside right now, but let's go inside and check out this spectacular home. Guys, thank you very, very much for checking out our special tour of 1861 Sawmill Road. Remember, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. This can be your 5 o'clock getaway. If you're looking for more information on this property, check out 1861sawmill.info. Again, 1861sawmill.info. Until next time, thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you soon.